Dear student, today I will discuss about relations and functions. Relations and functions. So, topic order pair. Two numbers A and B. Two numbers A and B listed in a specific order as enclosed in parentheses form an order pair A, comma B. B in order pair AB we call AB first members are first component of order pair. B same way B is second members or second member or second component of order pair. It if position order pair position of element change, then also order pair will be changed. So order pair will be changed. So thus AB not equal to BA, not equal to BA. Order pair for if element have set, so AB and another element order 1 2. So this set, so A comma 1 A 2 यानी A comma 1 and B comma 2 and B comma 1 and B comma 2. This is known as order pair. So order equality of two order pair. So we have AB order pair first element and second element, and second order pair element C D. So equality both are equal, then first component equal to first component, second component is equal to second components. Dear student, today I will discuss about relation and function. Order pair. First topic, order pair. Two numbers A and B listed in a specific order and enclosed in parentheses form an order pair AB. In order pair AB, we call A as first member or first component and B are second members as second component of order pair. By interchanging position of components, the order pair is also changed. So AB, so now A B, if position are changed B to A, so this is not equal, so therefore also order pair will be changed. Thus AB not equal to BA. For example, suppose E F and first and second C D. So order pair E comma C and E comma C and E comma D, and also F comma C and F comma T. So this is order pair. So these written in form is specific order. So equality of two order pair. So we have AB is equal to CD. First order pair is equal to second order pair. First component is equal to first component. Second component is equal to second components. So A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Second part of in relation function, Cartesian product of two set. If A and B two non-empty set, then Cartesian product of A and B is a set, is the set. Any Cartesian product of A and B is set, denoted by A cross B, not A into B. We read A cross B consisting of all order pair AB such that A belong to set A and B belong to set B. So we write in symbolically A cross B is equal to AB such that A belong to A and B belong to B. If A is equal to 5 and B is equal to also 5, or B is any element of others in this exist, we define A cross B also 5. Remarks: if number of set P and number of element in B Q, then number of A cross B is equal to P into Q. And second part, if at least one of A and B is infinite. So second part, if at least one of A and B is infinite number of elements, so then A cross B also infinite and B cross A is also infinite. So now Cartesian product of two set. So now let set A is equal to 1 2 and set B is equal to element A comma B. So now Cartesian product cross A cross B is equal to first order and first order. So 1A and 1B and so 2A and 2B. So this is Cartesian product A cross B. So this is example of Cartesian product of two set. So now let set A have element 1 2 and set B have element A comma B. So A cross B is equal to first comma 1A and 1A 1B, 2A and 2B. So this is Cartesian product represent in a set. So now by definition Cartesian product of A and B is a set. This is A cross B is equal to this is a set. So first component, second component. So this is example of Cartesian product of set. Order of triplet. Triplets means three elements. So three numbers A, B and C listed in a specific order and enclosed in parentheses form an order triplet A, B, C. So for any non-empty set, let us set A. So we define A cross A. This is triplet. So in symbolically A cross A is equal to A, B, C such that A, B, C taken as element A. a relation. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Then a relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. A subset of A cross B. Thus, R is relation from set A to set B. If and only if R is subset are equal subset of A cross B. So now if AB order pair AB belong to R, then we say that A is related to B. A is related to B and we write A or B. A related to B. If A is not related to B, so AB order pair does not belong to relation R. Then A is not related to B. We can write A not related to B or cut. So domain, range and codomain of a relation. So let R be a relation from set A to B, then R subset of A cross B. Remark, the set of all first coordinate is coordinate of element is called domain. Set of all coordinate of element is called domain of R. Write down R. And second, the set of all second coordinate of element of R is called range, denoted by range R. And third, the set B is called codomain of R. So in symbolic form, domain R is equal to A such that first component. So this is first component order pair subset of R, and range R B subset of R. We can represent diagram relation. So arrow diagram, let R be a relation from set A to B. Then we draw bounded figure to denote A to B. We represent the element of set A and B. For each order pair AB belong to R, we draw an arrow from A to B. So now set A element have A, B, C, and also another set B. So this is set A, this is set B. So element have 1, 2, 3. Now arrow diagram. So this is now related to A related to 1 and B related to 1 also, and C related to 2, C related to 2 and C related to 3. So this is relation A relation to relation B. So element have set now A, B, C, and B set element have 1, 2, 3. So this is arrow diagram of relation. So relation A to B. So AR1. So AR1, A related to 1. Also BR1, 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 B related to 1. So also C related to 2, C related to 2 and 2, C related to 3, C related to 3. So this is element of related to element of relation B. So A, not A not related to 2. So this is not related to. So A not related to 2 and B not related to B not related to 2 and C not related to 1. So this is form of A relation B. And binary relation on a set. So let A be non-empty set. Let A be non-empty set. Then every subset of A cross A is called relation on set A. So remark. So since phi subset of A cross B, so phi relation on set A called empty or void relation on set A. And since A cross A subset of A cross A, so A cross A is called relation on A. So this is called universal relation on set A. Third part, let identity I related to A. So A pair order pair A belong to A. Then clearly I a subset of A cross A, and therefore it is a relation on A called the identity relation on A. Various types of relation. Let A be a non-empty set, then a relation R on a set to B. First, reflexive. If order pair A belong to relation R, for all A belong to A, that is A related to A. For all A belong to A. This is reflexive. For symmetric, if AB belong to R, imply that also B order change B A belong to R. For all AB belong to A. For AB belong to A. So that is ARB are for related. A related to B imply that B also related to A. For all AB belong to A. Transitive, if AB belong to R and BC belong to R, imply that AC also will be belong to R. For R, ABC belong to set A. That is ARB and BRC imply that A related to B related to C, therefore A is also related to C. For all A, B, C belong to A. Equivalence relation. So a relation which is reflexive, symmetric, transitive is called equivalence relation. Function. Let A and B two non-empty set, then a relation F from set A to B is called a function. Let A be two non-empty set, then a relation F from set A to B is called a function if every element in A has a unique image in B. Every element of A has unique image in B. So we write F from A to B. MIP F from A to B. So thus a relation F from A to B is a function if domain F is A and no two distinct order pair in have same first coordinate. If AB belong to F, we write FA is equal to B. B is called image of A under F. B is called image of A under F, and A is also pre-image of B. If F from A to B, then F a set of A is called domain and set of B is called range. So subset of B range. So now with diagram we explain with us. So this set A and B, so related to F, and so element have 1, 2, 3 and A, B, C. So this is dotted. So this is dotted and so this is dotted. So A related to 1 related to A, 2 related to B and 3 related to B. So this is called a function. So 1, 2, 3 domain of set A. Set A is called domain 1, 2, 3 elements, and A, B, C domain codomain, A, B, C codomain, and A, B range of given function. So domain so dom F is equal to 1, 2, 3 and range F is equal to A, B, and codomain is equal to A, B, C. So all element of set B called domain, but image of set A element. So this is A and B image of A under F. So this is image, this is range. Real function. A function F from A to B is called real value if A and B are both subset of R. Types of function. There are many types of function. First, identity function. The function F from R to R, real to real, given Fx is equal to X. Fx is equal to X. For all X belong to R is called identity function on R. So domain of given function, so real, and range of function is equal to R. Second part, constant function. Let C be any fixed value, fixed real value, then function F from R to R. Given function Fx is equal to C. C is a constant real number for all X belong to R is called constant function. For constant given function Fx is equal to C. So the here for all X belong to R, so domain of given function Fx is equal to real and range of the function is equal to fixed real value C. Third, polynomial function. A function of the form Fx is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2 square plus dot an plus an x power n. where n is a non-negative integer and a1, a0, a2, an belong to a real number is called polynomial function. Polynomial function. So fx is equal to x power 3 minus 2x square plus 5 is called polynomial function. And rational function, a function of the types fx upon gx, but gx is not equal to 0, where f and gx is the defined. So a polynomial fx and gx are polynomial, but gx is not equal to 0 is called rational function. For example, fx is equal to 1 by x. This is a p by q and fx upon gx. And modulus function, let f from a function f from R to R, real to real, fx is equal to mod of x, for which x belong to R. Fx is equal to mod of x. Also we can write when x greater than or equal to 0, x, and x less than 0, this is minus x. We know that when mod of x greater than 0 for all x and domain of, so domain given function f is equal to real and range set of all non-negative real number. 6. The Sinum function. The function f from R to R, fx is equal to, so if x greater than 0, so this is 1. X is equal to 0, so 0. If x less than 0, so minus 1. So see, these types of function is called Sinum function. Domain of given function is equal to real value number and range of function given 1, 0, minus 1. And greatest integer function and known as step function. If x belong to R, then the greatest integer not exceeding x is denoted by, so x. So now example of given. So given, so 2.01 greatest value 2, 2.9 greatest value 2, minus 1.3 greatest value minus 2, and 3 greatest value 3, 2.99 greatest value 2. And in fact we have x is equal to minus 2 when minus 2 less than or equal to x less than minus 1. So this is minus 2 less value, and when minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0, so less value minus 1. So 0 less than or equal to x less than 1, this is less value 0. 1 less than or equal to x 2, so less value 1. And same way when 2 less than or equal to x less than 3, so value 2. So f from R to R, fx is the greatest function. So domain of given function, it is real value, real number integer. So range of all set of integer. Operation on function. Let x belong to R. The various operation on function are defined as the sum of two real function. Let f from x to R and another function g from x to R, then f plus g x to R. So f plus g x is equal to fx plus gx. This is learn. You learn it. For all x belong to x. Difference of two real function. Let f from x to R and another function g x to R. then f minus g such that x2r, then f minus g x is equal to f of x and f of c minus for all x belong to x. Scalar multiplication function, let f from x to r and let alpha be a scalar number, then alpha f such that x to r, then alpha f x is equal to alpha taken out and fx for all x belong to x. Multiplication of two real function, let a function f from r to r and another function g from x to r, then fg from x to r, then fg x is equal to f of x and g of x. So for all x belong to x. Quotient of two real function, let f a function f from x to r and g from x to r, then f upon g such that x to r. So f upon gx, so fx upon gx for all x belong to x, where g x not equal to 0. So these definition of various types of function, learn it and solve another video. Solve the question another video. Thank you.